Alright, what's up everybody? So, just had to redo my whole video because the one close-up camera I got was all boogered up and you couldn't see nothing. So now I gotta redo it all and re-edit the video. So, I am gonna do a product review on something I just bought. If you guys are anything like me, I try to find the best deals, which I'm sure a lot of people do that, but I'm like really super anal with it because, you know, I don't have $100 and some just to pay for something small. So I try to find the best deal that I can. And I really wanted this Boo Buddy trigger object. You know, I thought it'd be great to use at locations where there's kids. So I started looking around. Thank goodness for the stimulus check because I was able to buy a couple things. So the one thing I bought was this thing here. It's basically a Boo Buddy, but it's not the original Boo Buddy that you buy through those big name paranormal stores. This is from a guy on eBay. His eBay name is Ghost_Busters. You can check him out. He has a lot of decent things on there. I was real hesitant with this because I do know cheap stuff that you buy can be kind of crappy. And they don't work as good, which I can't compare it because I don't know how the original Boo Buddy works. But I will say this, that this thing works really good. I paid $80 for it, close to, give or take. And I think the Boo Buddy online that you buy is over 100 and some. There's ones even more. They have different ones of these, blue one, pink one. I didn't buy the pink one for a particular reason except for this one beeps and lights up. They have cheaper ones and all they do I think is just light up. He has different lights in here, feet, hands, and I think belly. We'll see here in a minute. But apparently like if you, for this model alone, if it beeps, that means something's close to it. 1 foot lights up. It's meaning it's real close, and it's just more lights means the closer the object, how strong it is, stuff like that. So I saw the price, and I knew that I was limited on the price of stuff I can get. So I bought this one. I'm gonna try to put as much information I can in the link of his stuff and where you can find it. And like I said, if you just watch this video, you'll see, like I said, Ghost, which all under or lowercase. Ghost_Busters on eBay, and it works great. So like I said, here it is, close up of it. There's the battery compartment, 9 volt, and there's no other knobs or dials or anything that I can see. Yeah, there's nothing on there. I just left this on here. It says cuddle time, which I think just bought that. Probably buy these at the dollar store, in the cheapest place he can get it, you know, just so he can save money. So, but I usually hold it by the ear because it will go off as soon as you put the battery in. I'm going to turn off the lights in too, guys, so you can see. But, here, when you do this, it does light up. Try to turn off some lights here, guys, which is not helping. Let me see, the lights are down a little bit. See? The closer you hold, you back up, as you can see. I hold it by the ear, but I noticed the head. You see it lighting up, flashing. I think the thing works great. I really do. $80, can't beat it. Guys, like I said, I try the best I can. The only thing I don't like is, I guess once it gets too strong, it just starts going off. I don't know if it's maybe my hands are near stuff. I don't know. The only thing that's cool is you want to build a stand for it. Because I do know when you put the battery in and where this apartment's located, tends to fall back. So guys, so if you want something good and cheap, I recommend this. I'm going to try to get a hold of him and see about sending me some stuff or something for a discount, just for giving his stuff reviews, I guess. But check him out. Like I said, if you're anything like me and you want to save a couple bucks, check it out. It's pretty good. I like it. Next video I'm gonna do one of Spirit portal box, and I'm gonna build that one myself, and I'm gonna show you guys so nobody has to go out and spend almost $500 or close to it on a Spirit portal, because it's super easy to make. So check in on my next product review and I'll show you guys how to build one. Alright guys, deuces.